Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Hope you all are doing good job at your home. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with the remaining part of your chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, in your previous videos you have learned about house and the materials which are used to build house, types of roof and types of houses also. So students, now we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is clothes we wear. So student, you know very well we wear different kinds of cloth to protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. So students, let's discuss about this topic. People wear different kinds of clothes. Students, you know very well there are different kinds of religion based people are living in this world. So they wear different kinds of clothes. So students, do you know why we wear clothes? Because it protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain and dust. Students, we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. We wear different kinds of clothes in summer, rainy and winter season. So students, in summer season, when it is hot, we wear cotton cloths. Like we wear the cotton shirt, cotton sari, etc. We wear woolen cloths in winter season because they keep us warm. We wear sweater in winter days. Now let's come to the next point. We wear a raincoat when it's rain because it protects us from getting wet. Sometimes we also use umbrella to protect us from getting wet. Students, you wear uniform when you are going to your school. Some people wear uniform like students, police, doctor, nurse, etc. So students, there are different types of uniform for different type of people like police, doctor, nurse, students, pilot, etc. Your clothes should be washed regularly. So students, in this chapter You learned many things about houses and clothing. So students, let's discuss why do we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. So students, as you know that we wear cotton cloths in summer season because they keep us cool, and we wear woolen cloths in winter season because they keep us warm. And we wear raincoat in rainy season because it protects us from getting wet. Okay, now let's have a look on keywords that is given here. Pakka houses. Pakka house. So students, you know very well a house made of bricks and cement is called a pakka house. And the example of pakka houses are bungalow and multi-story building. The second one is kacha house. So students, in this chapter you studied that a house made of mud and straw is called a kacha house. The example of kacha house is hut. The next keyword is igloos. So students, you know very well houses made from blocks of ice are called igloos. The next keyword is karwa. A house on wheels is called a karwa. The next keyword is tent. A tent is a house made of thick cloth or plastic sheet. So students, karwa and tent are the example of temporary houses. Now let's come to the summary of this chapter. Houses are made of bricks and cements, stones, wood, straw, etc. Houses on mountains usually have sloping roofs. So students, in this chapter you learn about two types of roof, that is flat roofs and sloping roofs. So students, you know very well in mountainous region people build sloping roofs. Now let's come to the next point. In areas with heavy rainfall, houses are built on stilts. So students, here spelling of stilt is not correct. The spelling of stilt is S-T-I-L-T-S, not S-L-I-T-S. Now let's come to the next point. Karwa, tents and houseboat are some temporary houses. So students, in keywords I discuss about karwa, tents and houseboats are example of temporary houses. Now let's come to the next point. Permanent houses cannot be moved from place to place. So students, the example of permanent houses are igloo, bungalow, multi-story building, etc. So students, I hope you all are enjoying this chapter and understand all the topics clearly by this video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and you have to do your homework which is given during live classes regularly, and you have to learn it. Okay, bye students, take care.